आर्ट और कचरे में बस एक गलती का फर्क होता है।
Once again, welcome everyone to my channel. My name is Anand Kumar, and today I'm gonna draw a portrait of Ms Dhoni. So please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Also hit the like button and share as much as possible. This keeps me motivated to bring this kind of stuffs to you on regular basis. And I'll be sharing my ideas and techniques about my portraits, so that you can improve your art skills. And I'll bring more information about this in my next videos, like outlinings, grid methods, and various other ideas, and what are the materials that I use for the betterment of my art, and for sure the shooting of my videos, how I shoot my videos. So friends, I want to tell you that I unintentionally spoiled my drawing. So but it was not a regression for me, because I have tried my best to turn that into a beautiful portrait. So let us continue with my video. Ms Dhoni, my hero, my inspiration. Every single time I see you taking the field, I experience a shiver down my spine. The passion hits the peak, the eyes lights up, the dream to achieve something expands binomially. Such is your aura that you have created for me. Whenever I feel back down, I sit in a dark room and visualize you hitting those towering hits. Then my mouth sixes, I visualize you setting up that leg slip. I visualize you finishing up the Indian innings in the World Cup final. I visualize you handing over the ball to Jogendra Sharma. I visualize you lifting the most coveted trophies in world cricket that exist. It does not heal my pain for my frustration, but it does infuse a spark. The spark which tells me to fight till the end. The energy that tells me not to give up. The signal that tells me how to ignore the lunatics. MSD, you are a dream for me. I am living my life your way. It is not easy for somebody to transform from a dapper boy with long locks to someone with grey beard. The way you have taken, or to be more precise, absorbed every single bit of weight that has come your way has left an impression on millions of your fans across the globe. That weight encompasses the hopes, the dreams of billions of Indians. You have never let them down. You have taught us that no situation, however bad, can be fought through and defeated. MSD, there are some who are born with a silver spoon. MSD, you are the one who has fought through all odds. I fail to nail down what goes through your head when you bat. Does the cranium metal have cooling pad? People give up the moment things seem to go out their way. You are different. You recollect all that thoughts and join them in a situation which could never have been healed by a normal human. I relate to you whenever I face traumatic times. I relate to you whenever I feel beaten personally or professionally. I realize that I breathe the same oxygen as you. This feeling makes me relieved of the amplified bad times. It creates an urge which asks me to stand up and deliver. I might not kill it every time, but yes, I do conquer the negativity of the most time. MSD, thank you for being an inspiration. I thank you from the core of my heart for letting me tune the frequencies back to a beautiful curve. If a guy from a small town can win everything for his country, then anything can be achieved. You have made it look so simple. People might not or will not discuss your success you have seen, but they will at least make repeated attempts to nail their dream down. This is what you have taught over the years. The brute force which you hit those beautiful boundaries teaches us to be calm and answer back our critics with actions rather than words. You have showed us how to smile even in defeats. Life is a cricket match. There are bouncers hurdle to us. There are those dudras which keep pushing us on the back foot. But again, there are those helicopter shots which lend solace to us.